Good day, everybody. I greet you in the name of Jesus Christ. And this morning, the Lord speaks to us out of Psalm 27, and firstly, verse 8 and then verse 11. And I'm reading it out of the Amplified. It says, "You have said, seek my face." It means inquire for and require my presence as your vital need. My heart says to you, your face, your presence, Lord, will I seek, inquire for and require of necessity and on authority of your word. Verse 11 it says, "Teach me your way, O Lord, and lead me in a plain and even path because of my enemies, those who lie in wait for me." You see, this is what the Lord speaks to us this morning. And he spoke to me quite a lot through the night. And he said, how much do we seek his face? And are we intentionally seeking his face to inquire his ways, to allow him to teach us, to equip us, to reveal to us that we can live a lifestyle of an even pathway, that we can live a lifestyle that he gets glorified? And when the Lord comes to us and said, we really need to start testing our hearts, testing our intentions when there are times when the people seek him. But the whole thing is, it's really about seeking him as a vital necessity, where he becomes your first love, and everything that you want to do is to glorify and to honor him, to reveal his ways, to be the instrument of really exposing and showing his ways, the way to victory, the way to celebration, the way to peace, and the way to rest. You see, David seeked that. He knew it's a vital necessity so that he can be seated in the blessing, the glory of the honor of God, that he can make God's name exalted, glorified, honored, lifted on high, making God known. And this is where we need to ask ourselves, is he truly our first love? Do we truly seek his ways? Do we make our own plans or anything? We need to realize, if he's our first love, if he's truly the lover of our life, he's truly your king, your ruler, your father, your God, your high priest, do you seek him so that he can teach you, that he can show to you? And we are so honored and privileged that we can have a seat in heaven in Jesus Christ on the right hand for the Father, and that we can come boldly to the throne. And the question now is, how much time do we spend sitting, waiting on him expectantly, allowing him to teach us, to show us his ways so that we can glorify him? Let's investigate. Let's check our hearts to see if it's truly about him, his ways, or our ways. I bless you in the name of Jesus Christ.